plant-based?
What's going on, everybody? It's the return of your favorite herbivore, J. Shredosaurus Flex. And that's right, today we're going to be doing a video review on Earth Balance Vegan Cheddar. Can't read backwards even though I'm dyslexic. Earth Balance Vegan Cheddar Flavor Squares. So basically, vegan Cheez-Its. V's-Its. Let's go ahead and try these out. Smell it. You smell it? It smells cheesy. Dangerously cheesy. Ooh, we got a double. Feel like I'm playing dominoes. Right, so let's do a thumbnail right here. I think we got it. Take a mental picture. Alright, so here we go. Initial thought, they taste good. They taste like salty crackers with a little bit of a cheesy taste. I think they taste more like goldfish than they taste like Cheez-Its. They're not as cheesy as Cheez-Its, but for a little healthy snack, double up on them jewels. So maybe we don't have V's-Its, but we have goldfish, vegan goldfish squares. But hey, these are pretty good. I like them. With them. And you should too. Yeah, I would definitely recommend these. These are a good little snack. You can measure them out. 35 crackers is one serving, and that's not terrible macros. So this is definitely a good alternative to Cheez-Its for you vegans who miss Cheez-Its, I guess. Oh, shit. Alright. Cheese out.